We are very well connected to organizations like ICAO, IATA, EASA, and so on. And there was a workshop, maybe October last year or so, where ICAO had this workshop asking the industry what is what is your priority for the time to come. And digitalization of the quality documentation was the #1 priority out of the maybe 10 priorities. And that was really exciting. Of course, to need it and to implement it are two different things, but this is definitely the moment to do it.
Yeah, I would agree. Just a couple of years ago, I did some presentations in other countries where we were talking about the remaining challenges to implementation of digital. And one of them at that time is that the approval by the regulators. And they weren't really completely accepting this. But over the last 2 years, really, the world has changed and everybody recognizes that digital is an essential, critical part of everything that we do. And we have seen really a massive movement in the direction of digital and implementation of many areas, including, records.